What are you doing to protect the bare soil in your garden beds this winter?
Watch football and drink beer.
Good answer, but no. Today I'm going to give you 3 simple ways to protect that bare soil from the elements of winter coming up. Thanks for watching the video today. I'm Diego and my goal here is to help you streamline gardening so you can grow more food using smart design. Today we're talking soil protection. If you think about what we do as gardeners, we spend all summer cultivating and building absolutely great soil. Come winter, how do you protect that soil so it stays great soil or becomes greater soil for when you want to plant into it in the spring? Today, it's all about protecting the soil with as little work as possible. Ideally, you do that with plants, like you see here. This is sorghum Sudan grass, and this is a cover crop. A cover crop is a plant that you plant specifically to help the soil. And this is the first way to protect that soil over winter. Why cover the bed in the first place? We want to cover the bed to protect the soil from what's above. The canopy is going to slow down the rain from hitting the soil. Rain hitting direct soil can compact soil and wash soil away. It's also going to protect the soil below from the sun, which can dry out the soil and slow down biology. It protects the soil from the wind, which dries the soil and slows down biology. And it helps protect the soil from the invasion of weeds because they can't get established when you already have a crop growing. Plants are a great way to cover the soil because they also provide the added benefit of feeding the soil and the soil microorganisms. The roots excrete substances which feed those organisms, which helps you build better soil over time. When planting a cover crop, look for one that's going to winter kill in your area or simply remove it before doing your planting in the spring. Plants are one great way to protect the soil over winter. The second way to protect your soil over winter is with organic matter. Horse manure, wood chips, leaves, grass clippings, they're all great options to keep that soil protected throughout the winter months. What type of organic matter should you use? Find something you can source CCC. Confidently, meaning you know it's not contaminated. Close, meaning it's right near you. And cheap, meaning as little money as possible.
Cheap meaning free. I don't have a job right now. Kind of in between things.
And like Bert said, free is always better than paying. I covered this bed to protect it from the 4 elements: rain, sun, wind, and weed.
Did somebody say weed?
Not that weed. The great thing about wood chips or organic matter is it also has the added benefit of feeding the soil because the lower layer of organic matter is being decomposed by microbes, giving you an additional boost of resources come spring planting. When you're ready to plant in the spring, you can either pull back the wood chips and plant right through them, or just scrape them off, remove them entirely, and plant in a nice clean bed. Organic matter is the second way to protect your soil over the winter. The third way to protect your soil is with tarps. When it comes to tarps, I prefer the heavy, thick vinyl type just like this. These are billboard tarps. They're UV treated, they're thick, they don't tear, and they'll last a very long time in your garden. The great thing about tarps is they're versatile. They're easy to put on and remove. So you can use them in a pinch for a few days, or you can leave them on the soil for a very long time, weeks, months, or even a year. They work very well to protect your soil from rain, sun, wind, weeds, and the worms love them. Just put a tarp down, pull it up, and you'll be shocked at how many worms are living right under the tarp at the soil surface. Tarps, the third way to protect your soil over the winter. What are you doing to protect your soil this winter? Whatever you do, just don't leave the soil bare. So find something, cover it up, and then you can go watch all the football you want.
How about them Cowboys?
Super Bowl bound? We'll see. Thanks for watching. Until next time, be nice, be thankful, and do the work.
Thanks for watching the video today. We appreciate that. Watch more great videos right here.